it's not only when you are going out that you do your skincare to look good to people outside. Hey my loves, welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing this beautiful face for the first time, hi, my name is Joy, and on this channel I talk about skincare, beauty tips, wellness and self-development. So if this sounds interesting to you, you want to keep hearing topics like this, please make sure you hit that red subscribe button to get subscribed to my channel, and also make sure you turn on your notification bell so you get notified each time I upload a new video, interesting video. Also feel free to go over to my channel to watch other videos there on my channel, and I promise you're not going to regret that. Like, you're really going to love that experience, because yes, I upload twice a week interesting videos, educative videos on skincare tips, self-development and wellness. So do well to go over to my channel to check that. All right, and to my OGs that keep coming back to watch my videos, my returning subscribers, thank you guys, thank you so much. You guys are the real deal. Like, so guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at face care routine for beginners, newbies. Yes, if you're just starting out your skincare journey, this is how your skincare routine should look like. Budget friendly, super affordable skincare routine for beginners and newbies. I'm also going to help you simplify your face care routine and help you glow effortlessly. All right, so if this sounds interesting to you, you want to know what you can start using on your face if you're a beginner, that is cost friendly, budget friendly, very affordable, please, you want to make sure you stick around to the end and enjoy this video. So over time, I've discovered why so many people don't want to start their skincare journey. Like, they don't even want to go into skincare at all. And also, if you're a beginner, you're a newbie, and you just started out your skincare journey, I also know why you get so overwhelmed and you just stopped almost immediately you started. And this is because you're not keeping your skincare routine as simple as possible. Like, you're not keeping your face care routine as simple as possible. And that is why in this video I'll be helping you simplify your facial care routine. You don't need much on your skin, especially if you're just starting out, you're a beginner, especially if you're a student and you are not even financially stable, you don't have enough money to spend on skincare. You don't need to do much on your face. All right, you don't need to keep buying all these products people keep recommending, keep advising you to get. You don't even need to keep bombarding your face with too much products. And that is why in this video I will help you simplify your facial care routine for beginners. So this video will be divided into 3 or 4 sessions. All right, so first I'm going to be sharing with you tips, things to take note of when taking care of your face, the do's and don'ts, what you want to take note of, tips, hacks that can help you to improve your facial look. All right, I will also be telling you or sharing with you guys what your skincare routine should look like in the morning. Please, anytime I say skincare routine, I'm talking about the face, all right, because that is what this video is based on. Secondly, I'm going to show you guys what your facial care routine should look like in the morning. Thirdly, I will also show you guys what your skincare routine should look like in the evening. And lastly, I'll be sharing some skin supplements that can help improve your overall skin complexion, your overall look, like your facial look. Skin supplements that works especially for the face, that are specially formulated for the face. If you are the type that have acne prone skin, you want to stick around to the end, because I'm also going to be recommending skin supplements for all this. All right, now let's move to the first part, which is tips, hacks. Now, the number one thing you want to take note of is actives. Guys, don't use too much actives in your skincare routine. Like, I know you really want your skin to strive well, you want it to look very good, and you keep hearing that all these actives are very good for the skin. Niacinamide is good for the skin, kojic acid is good for the skin, vitamin C is good for the skin, retinol is good for the skin. Yes, I'm not disputing the fact that all these actives are good for the face. Yes, they are very good for the face, but please do not use too much actives. Like, I feel like it's not even reasonable if you're just starting out and you just keep rushing everything in your skin, putting everything in your skin. Like, it doesn't make sense. Your skin will not be able to take it, because your skin finds everything very strange at this particular time. Actives are very strong. If you don't know, actives are very strong, and actives are meant to take care of some particular skin issues on the skin. The funniest part is that as a beginner, you really do not know much of what all these actives do. Like, you don't know the functions they do. And most times you can even be using 2-3 actives that does almost the same thing. Like, so what's the point? So you want to make sure you cut down on your actives, reduce the amount of actives you're using in your skincare products, and know what each active does before you even start using on your face. Don't just say because your friend is using this particular active, you also want to include it in your skincare routine. No, it doesn't work that way. Your skin is going to break out because your skin doesn't even need all those things, all right? And because of how strong these actives are, too much actives can irritate your skin and make your skin go bad. You start having acne, you start breaking out. Someone can use just 2 products and their skin will be glowing effortlessly, like their skin will look really nice. And another person can be using up to 12 products on their skin and nothing to show for it, no evidence. Like, you will keep explaining it tire. So don't just get everything you see in the market. Don't just buy all skincare products you see in the market or they keep recommending to you. Just get few ones that I'll be recommending in this video and stick to that, and make sure you are consistent and patient with them, and trust me, they are going to work just fine. All right, another tip I want to share with you guys is that make sure you're doing your facial care routine before your body care routine. All right, I know you might be wondering that, well, does it matter? Yes, it matters a lot. Now let me explain something. Because our face is very sensitive, I already told you guys most times in all of my videos that you need to get a separate product for your face and a separate product for your body. Now, if you should apply your body care product first, like if you should go through your body routine first, you apply your body lotion, you apply your body oil, all of that stuff, and then you now move to your face. Do you know that most of the products you use on your body will still be on your palm? Yes, the body lotion, the body oil will still be on your palm, and now you're using it on your face. Like, does that even make sense? Like, it doesn't make sense. It will not even show that you're using a separate product for your face and another one for your body. So I used to make this mistake too before. Like, I used to do my body care routine before my face care routine, but ever since I stopped it and tried doing my facial care routine first before my body care routine, I've loved the results on my skin. All right, so make sure you're doing your facial care routine first before your body care routine. Or better still, if you don't have a choice or you keep forgetting to do your facial care routine first, make sure you wash your hands very well after your body care routine before you move over to your face. Like, guys, very important, take note of this. Make sure you wash your hands, your palm very well before you move over to your facial care routine. But honestly, I would really advise you do your face first before your body. That way you're sure that none of your body care product is getting onto your face. Now let's move over to the second session, which is me showing you basically what your morning care routine should look like. Now, your morning facial care routine should look like this. Number one thing you need for your morning face care routine is a facial cleanser. Guys, facial cleanser, emphasis on facial cleanser. All right, so I'm not saying body soap now. Make sure the facial cleanser or the soap you're using on your face is separate from the one you're using for your body. That's the number one step. And for the purpose of this video, I would highly recommend you get the simple hydrating facial cleanser. I feel like that's the most affordable facial cleanser that still works very well, very effective on the skin. Or you can get the clean and clear facial wash. I'm also going to leave the picture right here. I think this is the first time I'm reviewing this particular facial cleanser. I just came across it, and guys, it is wow, especially if you have acne prone skin, blackheads. Guys, this particular one right here works very well for acne prone skin. All right, the next product you'll be needing for your morning care facial routine is, of course, an antioxidant serum. Very important, you need an antioxidant serum in your morning skincare routine. Examples of antioxidant serums are vitamin C serums. Very good, guys, very good. I know you might be wondering that, why do I need antioxidant? Like, what does it do? What is the essence of antioxidants? Now, antioxidants helps to protect the skin barrier from germs, bacteria, and pollutions that you come in contact with during the day. Antioxidant serums helps to form a barrier on your skin and prevent those germs, those bacteria, those pollution from entering or from contaminating your face to cause breakouts and the likes. So for vitamin C serum, I will advise you go for the balanced active vitamin C serum. This is because this serum contains a lower percentage of vitamin C serum. Just 3% vitamin C is in this serum, right? And as a beginner, maybe the first time you're applying vitamin C serum on your face, like this is the first time, so you don't need a higher percentage of vitamin C. No, your skin has not gotten used to that level. All right, so you want to start small. Always start small. Emphasis on start small. So go for this balanced active vitamin C serum. Contains lower percentage of vitamin C that will not affect or irritate your skin. Now the next product you'll be needing is a moisturizing face cream. Guys, moisturizing face cream, not body cream. Guys, you want to make sure your face cream is a hydrating face cream, like not even face cream, facial moisturizer. Moisturizers are very hydrating and moisturizing than normal creams. All right, so make sure you go for a very deep hydrating facial moisturizer that will keep your face looking hydrated, moisturized, healthy, glowy. You know, it is when your face is well moisturized, like it is when your face is very moisturized and hydrated, that glow comes out. Like you just notice that your face keeps shining. Let me give you some tips on how to know a very good hydrating or moisturizing face cream. So you want to make sure it's not too thick. Like it shouldn't even be thick at all. Make sure it's not thick, make sure it's not greasy, and go through the ingredient list. Check for moisturizing, hydrating ingredients like water, obviously aloe vera gel, hyaluronic acid. All these things helps to moisturize and hydrate the skin. They help to draw moisture back to your skin from the surrounding. And I would recommend you go for the simple facial moisturizer. I think that is very affordable and common. Even makeup artists use this simple facial moisturizer, because you know, when you're applying makeup, I feel like I'm digressing too much. Also, the Cosrx facial moisturizer is also very hydrating and moisturizing. But yes, I know it's at the upper end, like very expensive, and that is why I'm giving you the option of this simple facial moisturizer. But if you can get the Cosrx as well, even better. Very hydrating. And the last product you'll be needing in your skincare routine for morning is your sunscreen. Guys, you need to protect your skin from the sun. All other things you just added on your face will be a waste if you're not going to use sunscreen to protect your skin before going out. And I will highly advise you go for a sunscreen that provides hydration and moisture as well. All right, and please don't go below 30. Like don't go below SPF 30. In fact, if you are living in a tropical region like Nigeria, I will even advise you go for SPF 50 and above because of how hot this place is. All right, so please don't go below SPF 30. And this sunscreen I reviewed on my channel, the Biore UV Aqua Gel sunscreen, is still my favorite. For now, it's still my favorite, and it is also very affordable, which is why I decided to choose this particular sunscreen for the purpose of this video. It comes in two sizes. It has the bigger one and the smaller one. So if you cannot afford the bigger one, you'll be able to afford the smaller one. The smaller one is around 3,000 or 35 thereabouts, right? So you can definitely try this one out. Also, if you cannot find the Biore UV Aqua sunscreen, you can also get Dr. Rachel's sunscreen. Like guys, I've been seeing this sunscreen all around TikTok, Instagram, and that is because it is very affordable and doesn't leave white cast. Like for that price, it doesn't leave white cast. So definitely get one of these two sunscreens if you're on a budget, you're a beginner. Now moving on to the nighttime skincare facial routine. This is what it should look like. Nighttime skincare routine is also very important. It's not only when you are going out that you do your skincare to look good to people outside. Before going to bed, also make sure you do your skincare. All right, that is the key to a healthy skin, to a glowing skin. So the very first step for your nighttime skincare routine is the double cleansing method. You need to double cleanse your face, and this is why. During the day, our face has been exposed to too much germs, a lot of germs, dirt, bacteria, pollution that you need to thoroughly get rid of. And it is only double cleansing method that will help you get rid of this thoroughly. So what is double cleansing? So as the name implies, this means cleansing your face twice. First with a cleansing balm or cleansing oil. I'll leave pictures on the screen for examples of cleansing balms. All right, so these ones right here are examples of cleansing balms, so you can use any of these. So this cleansing balm and cleansing oils helps to clean your face. Like it helps to literally clean the dirt on your face, wipe the dirt on your face, but not thoroughly. All right, so after using them, you can even use micellar water if you cannot afford this cleansing balm and cleansing oil. You know micellar water, right? I'll leave picture here for you guys to see. You can also use that to first of all clean the dirt, the sweat, the germs, bacteria, pollution on your face before going in with your facial cleanser, like the one we talked about for the morning session. All right, so you use that on your face again to double clean your face. All right, so that is how you double cleanse. Next, you'll be needing an hydrating serum. You can either get the hyaluronic acid serum. It's a very good hydrating serum. I'll leave picture here for you guys to see, or you get the Cosrx snail essence toner. I'll leave picture here for you guys to see as well. These two are very hydrating and moisturizing that will keep your face hydrated and moisturized throughout the night. Now the next step is to use your treatment product. Yes, nighttime is meant for treatment. Another tip, guys, or advice: don't use treatment products during the day, please, because of the germs, the pollution, sun rays that might not make them work. All right, please make sure you don't use treatment products during the day. Use them at night, because it's very safe to just use treatment products at night. Our skin regenerates the more at night. Our skin is well rested at night, more refreshed, cool. The environment is cool at night and makes this treatment product work better on your skin. When I mean treatment product, I mean treatment products for hyperpigmentation, dark spots, all these your topicals, faded cream. They are meant for this. They are meant to treat the skin, and so they are meant to be used at night time. So after this, after your treatment product, you also want to go in with your hydrating facial moisturizer, like the one you used in the morning, to like bring back moisture, hydration back to your face, which is very important. So the next step is for you to sleep. Yes, so after you finished your skincare routine, it's time to have a nice sleep throughout the night. All right, now let's move to the last part, which is supplements. You need supplements in your skincare routine. Like, guys, you know, all these are fruits, all these veggies, all this food we take during the day does not contain enough nutrients that our skin needs, that our body needs. So that is why you need to use skin supplements to complement all these food, fruits and veggies we take during the day. A lot of people don't even eat fruits during the day. Like, a lot of people don't eat fruits every day. They don't eat veggies every day. So you need skin supplement. All right, so I'm going to be recommending just, I think, 3 skin supplement that really works for the skin and body. All right, copper, iron and zinc. You see these 3 skin supplements, they are very good for the skin, especially the face. All right, copper helps to combat inflammation issues. So if you are the type that have acne prone skin, your face is always inflamed, has inflammation on your face, copper and zinc are very good for this. In fact, I have 2 videos where I talked about skin supplements extensively. I'm going to leave them on the screen for you guys to go watch, or you can go back to my channel to check on skin supplements that I've reviewed on my channel. Right, one of those videos I reviewed zinc for acne. Guys, I've gotten a lot of reviews about that particular skin supplement, zinc for acne, that it really works for acne. Even evening primrose supplement works very good, very great for acne and women in general. It just helps for your overall well-being as a woman. All right, iron is also important for your blood, for your hormones. Iron is very good. So these are some supplements you can include into your facial care routine to help improve your overall face. All right, just follow this step, follow these tips I shared with you guys, and trust me, you're going to see improvement on your face. Like, your face will never remain the same. As a beginner, what I just mentioned now are very simple skincare steps, like very simple, short, precise, and I'm very sure you're going to understand everything I just said in this video. So guys, feel free to add more in the comment section. If you feel like I omitted something, just feel free to add them in the comment section. All right, I hope this video was helpful. Please, if you end up enjoying this video, please give your girl a huge thumbs up by liking this video and also subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so. All right, thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in my next one. All right, bye.